Hey guys, in this video I want to talk about some additional information about conditional rendering in React.js. Let's go! Hey developers, how you doing guys? Welcome back to Developers. My name is Amin, and as I said, today I want to talk about some additional information, for example, short circuit evaluation in conditional rendering in your React.js application. Do not miss this video, and without waste time, let's back to our VS Code and our application. We have this application, and as you know, you can access all of these codes from my GitHub that I put the link in the caption of this video. We should import second file shortcircuit.js in our app.js by this pass. Import this setup component here. After running our application, we can see this heading 2 on our browser result. Okay, first of all, I want to show you why we should use short circuit evaluation in our application. As you know, in the previous videos, I talked about multiple returns in React.js. But if we have one return in our application, but we want to use some condition in our code, what we should do? First of all, I want to add React fragment and start with curly braces and show you if we use if statement with curly braces and, for example, console log with my name, and as you can see we have this error on our browser result because in React.js we are using JSX and we should know the JSX rules, and one of them is we cannot use a statement, an expression in our return, and instead of this expression we should use just these curly braces and return value in our application. And now I want to comment this part of code and start to talking about these two lines that I know most of you guys know it from JavaScript, but I want to talk about them again here to know better or operator and of course and operator. So I uncomment these codes and start with first value and the second one, and I want to remove here and start with heading 1 and just write down first value, it's equal to first value here, and of course the second value I want to show you in our result. And I should add an user state here. Start with text and set text, it's equal to user state with an empty string. When I save our project, we can see as a result first value is equal to hello world and the second one is empty because of this or operator and this and operator. About or operator, I should say that if the first condition is false and as this user set is empty string, this text is false. And when this condition is false, the second return will be shown in our application. But when if it will be true and I fill it with my name, and the first value will be changed to the first condition and this text will be shown to us. But about an operator, I want to make this text empty and show you the second value. As you can see, there is no return in our browser because an operator, it means that if this condition is false, we cannot see any return as a second. But when if it will be changed to true, we can see the return, the second return in our application as this hello world on our script. I want to make this part of code comment, change heading 1 to text and using an operator, start with hello world 1 and second one I want to use an operator here and change it to hello world 2. As you can see my guys, and change this text to false, and as you can see we have just hello world 1 on our screen, and as I said this text is false and we can have this second return on our screen. And if I change it to true with filling this text, you can see my name as a first return in the first line, and the second line we have an operator, and now this condition is true and we can see hello world 2. I want to add the other line, the opposite of and operator, using this and change it to hello world 3. And as you can see, if I change it to false and it say if it's false, you should show this hello world 3 on our screen. It was all about some additional information, for example, short circuit evaluation that I mentioned in this video about conditional rendering in React.js. I hope that was useful for you guys. Do not miss our next video, and of course do not forget to subscribe my channel. Put like and comment for me and ask all of your questions in comments. I will answer all of them. Be nice guys and farewell developers.